Hello everyone and welcome. In this tutorial, we're making an easy Hello World app in Lazarus IDE. First, let's make a new project. Let's select Application, so we could create graphical apps. Let's change the title of the form. Select the form, Properties, and Caption and enter the name for your form. Let's save the project. Name your project. Name your Unit 1. I'm going to name it Main. Toggle the form. Let's add an edit. Go to Standard tab and select Edit. Resize the edit to your liking. Let's change the edit. Let's change the variable name of the edit. The text is the string that you see on the form. Let's change it into empty. Let's add a button. Go to Standard tab and select Button. Again, resize the button to your liking. Let's change that button. Change that button's caption to print. Change that button's variable name to be 1 for later code access. Now let's add a click event in that button. Select Button, go to Event, and click on OnClick and type the name and enter, or just click the 3 dots for defaults. Type and follow along. Now we need to access the edit on our form, which we named E1, and get the text string of the edit. Let's run the project. That's it for today. And if you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe to my channel.